The world is changing, the climate is shifting, and the time to act is now. Welcome to Voices for Change, the podcast where action meets awareness and hope meets hard truth. In just 2 minutes, we break down the climate crisis and how you can be part of the solution. The planet is heating up. Glaciers are melting, wildfires are raging, sea levels are rising. But here's the thing, climate change is not just an environmental issue, it's a human issue. It affects our health, food, homes, and futures. So what can you do? Start small. Walk or bike more. Eat less meat. Cut down on single-use plastics. Support brands and leaders who take sustainability seriously. And perhaps, most importantly, speak up. Voices for Change. Climate action now. New episodes every week. Listen, act, be the change.